Hey, what's up? This is Mike Icee, and don't worry, we're gonna go to step by step. But before we do, today we're gonna do a battery replacement, okay? And the parts you need is a battery, right? So the E350 comes from the factory with a Type 48 battery. I put in a Type 49 because every other Mercedes I've owned had a Type 49. And they put in a tray that can accommodate a Type 49, which is just 2 inches longer. But you can put in a Type 48 if you'd like. Okay, the tools, you only need 2 tools. You need a 10mm to undo the clamps, and you need a 13mm with an extension, okay? And now let's go to step by step. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to turn off your car, pop the hood, go open your hood, open it all the way, so push your hood all the way open. Next you have to remove this piece of plastic cowling assembly or something. There's 3 clips that hold it on, so there's one, already took one off, and there's one more on top. Yours might not come off, mine was broken by the dealer. Okay, now I'm gonna remove that little plastic protective cover. Okay, now I've got my 13mm, and I'm gonna undo that bolt on the bottom. You can kind of see it there. There you go. I'm putting it on. Now I'm undoing it. Let me know if you guys like this POV style, step by step. Anyway, bolt has been removed. Now I'm gonna reach down there and grab the clamp. There we go. Now I've got my 10mm on, and I'm gonna undo the negative side first. Okay, now I'm pulling out the vent. Keep in mind that AGM batteries do have vents too, although some people say they don't need them. There's a porthole for them, and I always install it if it's available. Anyway, so I'm undoing the other one. Okay, now I'm gonna pull out the battery. It's kind of heavy. It's 49 pounds. There's the replacement battery, which is a Type 49. It's 61 pounds. Okay. Make sure you kind of slide it in. You gotta nice and in. Make sure it's hooked on the back there. Okay. Now you put the clamp back. Normally you should do the positive side first. I did the negative side because I'm careful, but you always risk making sparks if you do it this way. Okay, now I'm going to tighten the positive lead. Make sure you hit that like button.
These are some
okay, now I'm going to put that bolt back. It does look like a GM screw or a bolt. 2 inches longer. I put the vent back in. It slides right in. Okay, now I put the bolt back and I'm tightening it up. Okay, protective cap, make sure you put that on. You don't really need it that much because you've got that huge piece of plastic on top, but just to be proper. Slide it in, make sure it goes in nicely. Put the 3 clamps back on. Okay, now close your hood. Now I'm going to go in and start it. And don't worry, the clock will reset itself. Okay, so I definitely recommend that you go buy the whatever the Mercedes dealer recommends. That's the battery you should go buy. I went with the Type 49 because I know other people have done it, and like I said, I'm a traditionalist. Every Mercedes I've owned, 79 and up, has always had a Type 49, so that's the battery I went with. That being said, everything reset just fine. The climate control even remembered my settings. The radio remembered my settings. Even my power windows remembered. On some of the earlier versions, you'll have to push your power windows all the way down and hold it a little bit, and then push your power windows all the way up and hold it a little bit, and then that way the auto drop and up feature will work again. Otherwise, the computer, if it doesn't know the position of the window, it may refuse to do that. But in my case, there was no issues. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hey, let me know if you like the POV style, where I'm in the corner and you kind of see me doing it with my hands. I'm not sure if that's better or not. And if you don't feel comfortable doing it yourself, know that you can always go to the Mercedes-Benz dealer. My local dealer charges just $90 to put in the battery, so it might be worth it to you.